Hello friends, welcome back to the another episode of Parvinder Singh Cooking. Now today we made a Chinese noodle for you. It is a very simple process of making noodles and please try it in your home. Ingredients I used in this recipe are 5 tomatoes, 2 onions, 250 grams of cheese, 4 chilies, green leaves, noodles and noodles masalas. Now fry the cheese in a olive oil. When the color is changed into deep brown, it means our cheese is well fried. Dear friends, cheese is a good source of calcium, a key nutrient from healing bones and teeth and blood clotting, bones healing and maintaining normal blood pressure for men and women. After that, fries a onions in a olive oil. When the color is changed into deep brown, it means our onion is well fried, and add 2 chilies. Now add chopped tomatoes and mix it well, and some green leaves in a fry pan and fried it. When the color is changed into deep brown, it means our gravy is well prepared. After that, add a ramen masalas in a fry pan and mix gently. Now add ramen in a fry pan and cook it for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, now our delicious cheese ramen is ready for serve, and please. Dear friends, cheese is a good source of calcium, a key nutrients for healing bones and teeth, blood clotting, bone healings and maintaining normal blood pressure. Men and women aged from 19 to 59 years should consume 1000 mg of calcium a day. Ounce of cheddar cheese provides 20% of this daily requirement. So my dear friends, delicious cheese ramen is ready for you, and please try it in your home.